who just bumped. All right. Drivers, this is a 6-minute E-main. Pay attention to Ezra with the flag there. He's going to give you the down and quiet, and I'm going to give you the tone to get this thing started. And away we go. First full field of the day. 13 Nitro Buggy streaking through the whoops, sprinting through the fog. Not too bad, drivers. Not too bad at all. Caution going down in the valley. Got one upside down into the valley. Oh, poor dude. Marshall's got no way to get there. Got one in the S turn. Giving her the death rev. Charles with some soccer skills there, getting him flipped over. Oh, got one stuck in the pipe up there. That was just unlucky. Six minutes isn't the longest time, but it is at least longer than a qual. Back doubles, drivers, and all clear, all clear. Oh, back doubles again. Got a couple more coming. And we are clear there. All right. Lap 2's coming in here. Trevor and Kevin right now in your bump spots. Trevor in the blue and gray Key Osho with yellow wheels. Kevin Winters in that orange, black, and light blue digital camo. That's hot bodies. Your top two starting to break away here. Rob Shaffer in the 3 spot in that Techno. He's got to put the hammer down and stick with those top two. Then at the line, at least, it was Coleman, Calcagno, and Dockery. Calcagno making big moves here after bumping in. Already getting towards the front of this one. Challenging conditions here on a foggy morning, but getting better every race. Right now, Kevin Winters is your leader, going through the wall, turning over that little double. Now going to haul back up the hill and into the back doubles. Winters leading the way. Trevor in the 2 spot, and your top 2 are gone. So it's on those 2 to keep it running and keep it on their wheels, but your top 2 are checked out. Caution in between the back doubles, in between the back doubles. We're all clear back there. Starting to see the sun a little bit. I can tell where it is now. Four and a half down, 1.5 to go. And as previously stated, Winner's going to roll her over. Trevor back into the lead. But again, those top two are gone. Rob Shaffer in the 3 spot right now. Looks like about a dozen seconds out of a bump. Make that 17 out of a bump. Top two have absolutely checked out in this one from 4th and 2nd on the grid. Coming up next, race number 4 is the Intermediate E-Buggy E-Main. Intermediate E-Buggy E-Main, race number 4 up next. Drivers, that was the tone, and you're racing to the line. Trevor going to come across to take the first bump spot, and Kevin going to take the second. Those two absolutely checked out from 3rd place in this one. So unfortunately, not as much action to call as I would have liked. Some chaos here and there down throughout the field, but those bump spots are what really matters here. And Dockery going to get back up to the 3 after starting first. That's all the further he'll get. Just a couple more drivers wrapping it up here. Just Phil still live. Anybody see Phil